This is a different kind of video. I'm going to talk about why therapy, men's retreats, breathwork, psychedelic therapy, and anything else you can come up with that's going to help you heal your emotional wounds are not going to heal your emotional wounds. All of those things that I mentioned are incredible. But if you broke your arm tomorrow and went to the best in the world, the best doctor at fixing broken bones, they can't fix that bone. All they can do is put your arm in a cast and let your body do its own healing. When it comes to our emotional damage, we tend to view it the same way as a physical issue. So we think when we get in front of that specialist, the genius, the guru, the facilitator, the special retreat space that is marketed to be able to heal all your problems, you step into those spaces and believe by simply being there, that person's going to do all the work for you and that you're done when you walk away. Or at least that's what I believed every time I showed up to a breathwork seminar, to a men's retreat, to a counseling session with a varied amount of types of therapists to work through my own emotional broken arms. Recently, I went to a men's work retreat for a weekend and I entered it with a different mindset. I stepped every moment from getting up and getting on the plane and flying to where I needed to go with the thought that this is not going to heal me. All it's going to do is show me a mirror and show me exactly who I am and what I'm looking to fix myself. Because ultimately, the healing will come from me. It's not going to come from somebody telling me how to breathe, giving me tools to go through my different things. Those things are going to help facilitate you to do the work on yourself. Because much like when you break a bone, the healing happens internally. It is you going through the steps in order to be better. When you break a bone, touch wood, it's never happened to me, but so I am told, you put that bone into a cast, you eat well, you rest, you recover, and you give it time for the healing to set in. When it comes to your emotional wounds, it's got to be the same thing. Maybe it's not as obvious as a broken arm because with an emotional wound, you don't really know where it is. You just know that for some reason, something in here doesn't feel right. You showing up to do the therapy, to do the retreat, to do the breath work, it's going to give you that step-by-step guide that you need to take yourself. Because once you step away from that therapy session or retreat weekend, it's all on you. You're by yourself. There's nobody screaming at you saying, take another breath. You have to be able to do the work day in, day out, and accept that for a while it's going to suck. Because most of these modalities are not easy. They're going to show you the deepest, darkest parts of yourself and will you to do the work. And it's very easy for you to step away from those things and just sit in it and go, yeah, I was there, so now I'm good. So the takeaway from this video is not some step-by-step guide on how to heal yourself or how to find someone to heal you. Instead, it's a call to action that whatever it is that you're currently doing, be that therapy, group therapy, whatever modality you're choosing to heal your inner demons, step into the next session with the mind frame that it's you that's going to do the work. It's you that's going to heal yourself. You may get some tools to facilitate that, but you have to use the tools, you have to commit to it, and you have to want to be a little bit more yourself. If this topic resonated with you, I'm working to build this YouTube channel so that more people can get these insights I've picked up on my own journey to see if it can help any of you. So subscribe, comment if you've got some insights on everything I've talked about today. If you've gone to some retreats like I have and felt like they were going to fix all your problems and walked away going, still feel emotionally damaged, what's the fucking crack? Tell me about it. As much as you feel open to do in the comments, and if you want to privately talk to me, Instagram, all that stuff, it's all below. Reach out, we have a private conversation. But at the very least, if you liked the video, like the video. If you think there's somebody that might benefit from what I've talked about, send it to them. It is my desire and my purpose on this planet to try and help as many men to not feel damaged and alone as possible. The Better Man program is all about becoming a better man. Doesn't mean being the best man, it means being better than you were yesterday. It means trying to be a little bit happier than yesterday. I'm Matt, the Better Man Coach, signing off the video. See you next time.